All right, I'm going to do two more problems that use integration by parts here. Problem number 13, we have an algebraic function x. It's our algebraic function, and our e to the x, or e to the negative x, excuse me, is an exponential. So we're going to use the algebraic as our u because that's earlier in our acronym. So we're going to let u equal x, which means du equals just dx. And our dv is going to equal e to the negative x dx, which means our v is negative e to the negative x. Our u would be negative x, derivative of u would be negative 1, therefore it becomes negative. I'm sure you've done an integral of e to the negative x in Calculus 1. All right, so let's solve this guy. The integration by parts gives us u times v, so x times negative e to the negative x minus v, or the integral of v, times du, which is just dx. We can do a little cleanup here, so negative x e to the negative x. This is a minus minus, so it would just be positive, and this should be e to the negative x. Excuse me. So this will be plus the integral of e to the negative x dx, which equals negative x e to the negative x, and negative e to the negative x, and then plus some constant c. All right, the other one here, let's switch back to blue. This is our algebraic. This is a trig. The A is T for trig, whatever. The A is still above the T in our acronym. So we're going to let u equal x squared. That's derivative of that. And then dv is going to equal cosine of x dx, which means v, the integral of cosine, is just sine. Sine of x. Okay. So when using integration by parts, again, it's u times v. So x squared times sine of x minus the integral of v times u, which is 2x dx. Well, we're in a situation here, again, we need to use the integration by parts on this second interval here. So let's do that. We'll do that in blue again. So we're going to let u equal 2x, du equaling 2 dx, dv equals sine of x dx, and v equals the integral of sine of x is negative cosine of x. All right, so let's finish this integral here. So x squared sine x from above, and then we'll do the entire integration by parts here. U is 2x, v is negative cosine x, minus v, integral of v, so negative cosine x, and then du is 2 dx. So let's finish this. We have another one. And we will distribute the negative 1, so it's plus 2x cosine x. And now we have 3 negatives for this integration, so it's still a minus. So 2 cosine x dx. Well, the 2 can come out, and the integral of cosine is just sine. So that's minus 2 sine x, and then plus some constant c. So there you have another tool in your arsenal to dealing with integrals here.